Hey everybody, it's Christina of CraftyPaws. I'm sorry it's been a while, but I did want to come back and share with you guys the final results of the paint by numbers kit that I got from Victoria's Moon. It was a picture that I took of my sweet Bandito in a vintage Louis Vuitton scarf that was from Mr. CraftyPaws' grandmother before she passed away. And I love this portrait, and I wanted to really give it my all to fix the paint by numbers kit that I got from Victoria's Moon. I also haven't been feeling super creative or crafty. I've kind of had the blahs. I'm sure a lot of you guys can sympathize or empathize with me because as we've been sheltering in place during this COVID-19 pandemic, I just haven't been in the best frame of mind, but I also thought it was a great opportunity to really work on this painting and give it my all. So this is the before, this is the picture on the left and the initial painting colors on the right. And this is my first adjusted attempt. And you can see Bandito's not fully on board here. He, I think, could appreciate that I have been working hard on this. I've adjusted the bright yellow and orange areas to a cream color, and I did like the improvements, but after kind of looking at it off and on for a couple of days, I realized that it was just too vast an area and it wasn't the right tone. It needed to be muted down a little bit to fit with the rest of the colors in the painting. So I worked on it a little bit more, and today I was finally able to finish it to a point where I really like the final results. And this is my present to myself for my 50th birthday, which was yesterday. Anyway, I wanted to just come on and share this with you guys. I hope you all are well and staying safe. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to share with you guys some more crafts in the near future. Thanks for watching. I love you guys.